Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley Davidson Street Bob. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 Harley Davidson Street Bob with 16,647 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, aftermarket spark plug wires, and LED turn signals. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Bob puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Bob has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 27.6-inch seat height and a 667-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Street Bob will need new rear brake pads. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are discolorations and scratches on the engine primary, pitting and corrosion blemishes on the exhaust, discolorations on the fuel tank, and sun fading and discoloration in the gauge and trim clusters. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.